Hi, this is Liza Laurinkus, your nutritionist and pain relief specialist in Foster City, California. Today, I want to share with you an article I found in Doctor's Resource that you might also access through my website and Facebook page. This article discusses the effect of dietary changes to chronic headaches. We are all aware that chronic headache can be very exhausting and debilitating. Can increase of omega-3 fatty acids in the diet bring relief from pain to people with chronic headaches? You may find out by clicking the link below this video. If you or anyone you know suffer from chronic headaches, please give me a call today. My phone number is 650-570-5101. You may also schedule your complimentary session by going to my website, www.letithhealnow.com. Bowen therapy is very effective for pain relief, and personalized nutrition I offer in my practice addresses your unique dietary needs based on your genetic requirements. Remember this, there is a one-to-one relationship between what you eat and how you feel. If you are watching this video on my Facebook page, go ahead and click the like button. If you are watching it on YouTube, just click the subscribe button. It's Liza Laurinkus. I'm committed to being your source of everything health. I will get back to you next week with another health and lifestyle tip. Eat well, move more, live longer.